when we're mindful of two ways that our bodies can go, either being very acidic or being alkaline. We obviously much prefer the alkaline, because in that way we can't invite bacteria, disease, and things like that into the body. Our body is far more pure when it's alkaline versus acidity. Acidity can be caused by certain foods we eat, very acidic foods, stress, anxiety, and things like that. So keeping those two in mind and wanting to be alkaline, keeping the body alkaline, we can use these tapping methods, these simple tapping methods that we've illustrated to you here, along with the breath. So if we just take it on the sides of the head, taking an inhale and exhale out, taking it to the chest and exhale out. And using those tapping methods, we then reduce our stress, anxiety, and therefore leaning the body more towards alkaline versus acidity. So yeah, I think that's an important point to remember as well. You just need to unmute yourself.
Unmute. So what you're saying is that by taking larger exhales regularly, you reduce your stress level, you become more calm, and that induces alkaline states. And then the other thing you mentioned about some food. So generally that causes acidity. So generally the types of food that you want to eat to be more alkalized would be fresh fruits, leafy vegetables, green salads, those kind of things.
And lemon.
Fresh fruit and lemon water. Lemon water is on an empty stomach in the morning. Lemon juice water is one of the classic yoga health drinks. Yeah. First thing in the morning, and you could also late in the day do the same with ginger, for instance. Yeah. So little things that you can add to the few minutes on your mat or in your small space. Like a few minutes of practice, but with a healthy lifestyle. So together with the practices that we're doing in this particular sequence that we've done so far, and the next one or two that we'll do, this will go a long way towards restoring general conditions to create greater well-being.